What if I told you that mastering English tenses is not about memorizing 12 different rules, but understanding one simple pattern that unlocks all of them? One pattern died. Sounds too good to be true, right? Here's what usually happens. You're taught to memorize each tense separately. Just memorize it all. Then you're wondering, is it I eat, or I am eating, or I have eaten? Sound familiar? Teachers give you rules, but nobody explains why these tenses exist in the first place. Here's what we'll do differently. I'll show you the hidden pattern behind all 12 tenses. Once you see it, you'll be able to build the right tense instead of trying to remember which rule goes where. By the end of this course, you won't just know the tenses. You'll actually understand them. That's a big difference. You'll be able to build any tense from scratch. And you'll speak English without constantly second-guessing yourself. And stay till the end. There's a master chart you can screenshot and keep forever. Let's look at what you'll learn. First, the why. Why does English have 12 tenses? There's a logical reason behind it. You'll learn to identify the 4 forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Then one master formula to build any tense. You'll know exactly which tense to use, no more guessing. We'll cover the 5 most common mistakes. Even native speakers make these. By the end, you'll speak and write English naturally. Who is this course for? Several groups of learners. If you're just starting with English grammar, you're in the right place. If you've been learning but still get confused about which tense to use, this course will help. Preparing for an exam? CBSE, IELTS, TOEFL? This will help you master tenses. And if you've learned tenses before but keep making mistakes, that's exactly why this course exists. Here's how the course is structured. Part 1. Foundations. We'll cover what verbs and tenses actually are. Part 2. All 4 present tenses. What's happening now? What happens regularly? Part 3. Past tenses. What happened? What was happening? Part 4. Future tenses. What will happen? What will have happened? And Part 5. We tie it all together with patterns and the master chart. Every section includes clear definitions, practical examples, and quick self-checks to test your understanding. Before we begin, here's one key insight. This will change how you see tenses. Every tense equals time times form. That's the core principle. There are 3 time periods: past, present, and future. And 4 forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. 3 times 4 equals 12 tenses. That's the complete system. Once you understand this grid, everything falls into place. Now let's build on this foundation, step by step. We'll start with the basics. What exactly is a verb?